one of the things that we announced this week was we've made a modification to the Manufacturing Innovation Fund voucher program, and there was about $1.3 million available in that program. So we're now giving priority to companies that are looking to either repurpose their capacity and capabilities to make these, or are making critical items and are looking to increase their output of them. So we've got availability of grants of up to $75,000
to be able to retrofit their gear to try their equipment or set up a new line or update cell to try and make this happen. Yeah, and how would they, if someone wanted to get that money, how do they apply for that?
So they go through the typical Manufacturing Innovation Fund voucher program link. So they can go to Connecticut Manufacturing Innovation Fund. Also, the link actually clicks through to CCAT, because CCAT is our partner on that. They're administering a lot of the, they're doing a lot of the administrative work with that in terms of collecting the applications and vetting them. And this is a program that's going to need a bit more due diligence than the traditional voucher program. So it was announced 2 days ago, and that evening they had 500 hits on their website for it. And we actually last night we had a sort of due diligence call on the first application that came through.
Nice.
And so they're starting to flow through. And look, we're also looking at using the voucher program also for a source of funds to help companies as we look beyond this current situation. There are discussions both with the legislature and the folks at David Lehman on putting some additional funds into the voucher program to help companies as we get through this and start to emerge on the other side. And so what that looks like and sort of what the focus of that is still very much in discussion. But we're starting to pick our heads up a little bit. We've been looking 2 inches in front of our nose for the last 4 weeks, and we're starting to look a little further out and say, okay, what's life going to be like after this, and how do we help the Connecticut